Alright guys, welcome back to Fit Girls Empire. I'm Isa.
And I'm Hannah.
Today we are doing a recipe for you.
We're going to do protein pancakes, and this recipe was inspired by another Instagram account, Vanessa Eat Clean Live, so you can check out her recipe on her Instagram page, and this is a slightly modified version, but they're still really good. They're chocolate peanut butter protein pancakes.
Awesome, so we'll start with the ingredients in it.
So it's really easy because you just put everything in a blender.
So a cup of oats. That in the blender.
Okay. And then you're just doing 1 banana. Okay, and then it's 3 scoops of protein powder. You can use any kind you want. I use this kind from Costco. I really like it. It's chocolate peanut butter flavor, so that's perfect.
Do you only eat this or do you drink it too?
I drink it.
Do you like the taste of it?
Yeah, it tastes really good in smoothies. I normally, with like other protein powders, I'll add like extra cocoa or extra peanut butter or something to kind of hide the flavor of the protein, but with that one I can just drink it straight with like water or milk and it's still fine. Okay, and then we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
I'm not a fan of protein powder.
Do you have a favorite kind?
I like Quest protein powder, but that's the only one I like.
Do you normally make like a smoothie with it, or do you drink it with milk, or?
I like putting it with peanut butter, almond milk, and ice.
Ooh, okay. And then we're doing 3 tablespoons of powdered peanut butter. Less calories than normal peanut butter, and it mixes with the pancake ingredients a little better. So 3 tablespoons of that. Okay, and then we need 3 eggs and 3 egg whites. So we have the eggs in a bowl here, just regular eggs, and there's not very much left of these egg whites, so I'm just gonna use the rest of them, and I think that'll be fine.
4
egg whites.
Oh, this is a weird egg. 2. Wow.
And then as to make them rise, we're gonna use baking powder. And we're just gonna do 4 teaspoons of that. It's a lot of baking powder, but I guess it makes a lot of pancakes. So
How many pancakes does this typically make?
last time it made at least 15 pancakes. Yeah, and they were like medium size, not really small or anything like that. So
That's not bad.
perfect. Okay. And then we can just grind the salt. A little bit of salt. And last thing is almond milk. So we're just gonna do a cup of almond milk. Can you hold that?
Small eggy. Ooh, creamy.
Yeah. This is like a super nice brand of almond milk, and it's just almond milk and water, and there's no like fillers in it. By Elmhurst. It's really good. My mom ordered it for me as a gift, so shout out to my mom.
Hey.
Okay.
Chocolate chips?
Yay. Oh yeah, so the chocolate chips you add after because you don't want to grind them up. So we're gonna blend all these things, and then we're gonna add the chocolate chips.
Blend. Is it closed? Oh.
Yeah, the batter's pretty runny.
It looks chunky over here.
It's kind of like any muffin batter or any pancake batter where it's runny. That's how it's supposed to look. Cool. Awesome. Okay, so now we're just gonna add the chocolate chips. You could add any other topping that you want. You could do like blueberries, or you could do nuts, or whatever. And there's not really, or I don't really use measurement. I just put like
All of them.
the whole bag. No. Maybe like a quarter cup. So you don't want them to be too sugary, otherwise it kind of defeats the purpose of them being protein pancakes. So yeah.
Yay.
Okay, so now we're gonna go to the stove and bake up a couple to show you. We're gonna pan fry. What's the word? We're gonna cook some of them.
Stovetop.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna use a little coconut oil spray just to make them not stick. Okay, about a quarter cup.
There's a mini pancake.
Perfect.
Pancakes. Let's go. Don't look at our dirty house. Okay, you can look at it.
Hello.
There's Han.
We're cleaning tomorrow, don't worry. Probably.
There's our setup for filming.
It's our BTS vlog.
And then there's where we edit videos. And here's where we make snacks, coffee. Here's me Joggy. Yes, Joggy boy, are you so happy you want the snacks? And here's the pancakes.
Yay! I'm almost ready to flip. The mini guy's ready.
Alright, just gonna flip the mini guy for oh, let's go focus. There we go. For a little blooper reel. Oh, poor thing just got demolished.
Award.
Yay! Mini pancake for the win.
I am mini pancake. I'm ready to flip. Yay.
Looks like Paw Prints.
Paw Prints.
Yeah,
Oh.
chocolate chips.
Yeah, that's cute actually.
So we are all done cooking the pancakes. They look beautiful.
Very chocolatey.
Some toppings I like to put on it is syrup. I like strawberries on my pancakes. I like whipped cream,
Peanut butter. Syrup.
blueberries.
Yeah, but we're just gonna taste them plain because I think they're really good like that too. Yeah, really chocolatey.
These are good. And I don't like the taste of banana, and I can't taste the banana at all. Yummy.
Awesome. Thanks for watching our recipe video. We hope you enjoyed the protein pancake recipe.
Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Please support us on our fitness journey.
And follow us on Instagram. I'm fitgirl.han.
And I'm Suleika Fit.
Bye.
These are good.